Setting the temperature on your A to Z heat press is easy. With the machine turned on, click the mode button. At that point, you will see the set option as well as the temperature option illuminate on the display panel. You can then use the plus and minus buttons to increase or decrease your temperature. To increase faster, hold the button in. We will set to 330 degrees for this example. To get to the time, I'm just going to click the center mode button again. Now I will see illuminated, set, and time, with the time that it's currently set for on the digital display. Again, I'll use the minus command or the plus command to reduce the time or to increase the time. Once you have your desired time set, you'll hit the mode button once more where there will be no additional options illuminated.